Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make kombucha with fruit. Start by boiling water, steeping tea, dissolving sugar, and cooling the sweet tea completely before adding the SCOBY and starter liquid. Maintain a warm, dark spot around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and cover the jar with breathable cloth. Ferment 5 to 7 days for primary fermentation, then prepare for fruit flavoring and bottling in clean, airtight bottles. After adding the SCOBY to cooled sweet tea, let fermentation run for about 5 to 7 days, tasting every couple of days to reach your preferred tartness. Record the day you started and note flavor changes so you can repeat or adjust timing. Avoid metal lids during primary fermentation and keep the vessel covered with cloth to allow airflow while keeping out dust and insects. Aim for a mild vinegar tang before bottling. For fruit flavoring, strain kombucha from the SCOBY, then add fresh mashed fruit or fruit juice into bottles, about 1 to 2 tablespoons per 12-ounce bottle, depending on strength desired. Seal bottles tightly and leave at room temperature for 2 to 5 days to carbonate, checking pressure daily and releasing excess gas as needed. Once fizzy, refrigerate to slow fermentation and enjoy chilled kombucha within a few weeks for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.